student at Lab Thab High School. My parents are txoj and tsoom. I'm here today to share with you about my reasons for coming here. As you can see all around us, we are all Hmong should stay together and stick together, helping one another. We have people of all ages, young and old, all come here today for one reason, to support. We feel that the charges against the 12 defendants should be dropped. I personally feel that being here is more important than being at school, because this issue is affecting every single one of us. In my point of view, we should not give up. We have to stay strong and continue to fight until the charges drop. I would like President Obama and our members of Congress to listen to our voices and do whatever it takes to have this case thrown out. I would like to see more students supporting this issue in upcoming rallies and protests, because we are the future. We will be the ones taking over, so why not start now? And again, who are we? We are Hmong. Hmong should stay together and stick together, helping one another. Thank you.